Hey guys, so we just got out of church about an hour and a half ago, and I just finished recording another set of videos for my boot camp girls. So if anybody wants in on boot camp, I'll have another one coming up in July after Alaska. I can't add anything else on my plate right now. Anyways, so I wanted to just kind of touch base with everybody and say hey, and I'm fixing to head back to the house now, and we are going to finish the last of the electrical in the cabin so that is all done and finished, and I can check that off my list. I'm so ready to check something off the list. And then we got a few things we're going to do around the farm, but then this evening when it cools off, I say that in jest, when the sun is not bearing down from directly above us, we're gonna go for a walk around the farm and show y'all some of all the stuff that we've been doing. It looks a lot different, that's for sure. It still seems like a mess, and it still seems crazy to me. Like, there's just so many projects that need to get done that are on the list, but right now our priority is finishing out this cabin, at least to the point to where we have a full bathroom and kitchen in there, so that we can give my brother-in-law his camper back. He's ready to get back in it, and I'm ready to see it drive out of my driveway. So anyways, so if y'all want to hang out with us, I'm going to add that to the end of this video. We'd love for y'all to see what we've been doing, and to I guess just show you all the work we've been doing. Makes sense, right? The heat's getting to my brain, and I've been out here shooting this video for an hour now. It's like 100 degrees outside. Pretty sure it's still 99 under this canopy. So anyways, well, I hope y'all stick around. I hope y'all like the video. I hope that y'all like to see all the stuff that we've been doing. And we are getting back to shooting more videos. It is now, however, on my plate to do those because Tana has a job working with her grandma. So she's not at the farm all day like she was, and she's working so she can help get her house finished, because Mama is pawning off responsibility to all the other people. So anyways, y'all enjoy, and we will see y'all sometime next week. I'm gonna try to throw together at least one video a week right now. I can't promise y'all any more than that because, to be quite honest with you, I don't have time. Like I said, I'm trying to get through Alaska and get this kiddo married and get back, and we are literally like, I don't even know. So love you all, miss you all, and hope to hear from you. Bye.
I'll fix it. Yeah.
Helps if you take the cover off.
Yeah.
Stock Show Pro. You know what kind of tree that is?
Nope. There's no pond. You know what kind of tree this is? It's an oak tree.
No.
What is it?
What are you doing besides flooding the water line ditch?
Well, I was watering my stuff at the house.
Did you give your elephant ear a drink?
Yes.
Did it appreciate it?
I think it did.
You want to walk with us?
Where are you walking to?
Well, we're gonna do a farm tour.
Okay. And put my bucket down.
We'll come do your garden first. You want to do your garden first? Well, it's because it's 1,000 and 1,207 degrees.
1,000 and 1,207 degrees.
Yes, that's what it is. Don't you let the boys out.
Don't you want to let them out?
Let them run while we're out.
Get off me. Anybody now? There
Maverick, how high can you jump? Let him jump. Oh, that was a baby jump. Coda, when did you start barking? What are you doing? Y'all don't run me over. Tana, you want to tell them what we've done with your house?
Nothing.
Well, we put stuff in it.
Yeah, we furnished the inside of it. That's it.
But what do you have now? It's 3 letters.
A bed.
No.
That's 3 letters. B-E-D.
A J-O-B? So you can help finish your house?
Yeah.
How about you, man?
One of these days, maybe your dad will put shingles on the roof.
Man.
Maybe we shouldn't let the dogs out. They're gonna be crazy. Y'all look. No more campground. I've been working on getting the rock moved. It's just freaking hot. Tana, come show them your sunflowers that have worked so hard to survive. Well, because I can't see me, so it won't matter. I'm just gonna get y'all.
1 little sunflower plant.
What happened to the other ones?
Stupid goats.
Look at this. Y'all look.
Look at this zebra looking grasshopper.
Oh, he's kind of special. We just discovered a new breed of grasshopper, y'all. Can y'all see that?
It's a zebra hopper.
$1,000 a pop.
It's a
Zebra hopper.
zopper.
Watch out.
Don't you run me over.
Y'all better get out of my plants. Get out. Out. Out.
You bad dog. Sachi's a bad dog.
Isn't that a cute sunflower though?
It
Look
is a
at
cute
it.
sunflower. You got a grasshopper going to town on some leaves. See him?
Yeah, well.
Look, you're going to have another one right there. Okay. So, Tana's house is still not done.
Oh, you see the little potato vine that came?
Oh, yep.
There was another one I put in there to save it, and the goats came and ate it out of the bucket, so.
Stupid goats. We love the goats, y'all.
Hey, what's this stick sticking
But
up
they
here
do keep
with a leaf on it?
eating all of Tana's
That's
stuff.
a sunflower.
This?
Yep. It's supposed to be.
It
What is
was. That's your potato vine.
That I thought I killed.
The goats ate the rest of them.
What about all these goat weeds and weeds?
Don't worry about all that.
You want to come up here and...
See, so we have, oh, it's kind of blurry. We'll go over there in a second.
At least you
All
got
right.
some manure in this bed here. Move these little M&Ms.
Some goat poo.
Put flowers in that.
Tana, are you over summer?
Yeah, I am. For once.
Why?
It's too hot to do anything.
It is way too
I want
hot.
to be out in my garden and I can't.
I really have no idea if I'm even showing you because I can't see. This is my viewfinder. Well, maybe if I do this, we can sort of see. You're in there.
Upside down.
Well, you won't be upside down.
Look at my little watermelon.
Y'all look.
Isn't it so
Isn't it cute?
There's one right here, one right there, one down there, one right there.
So, this is something that wasn't up before when we were videoing. This is half of Tana's tea garden. So, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beds here. And then we're gonna duplicate all that and do 6 more beds on the front side so it's a big rectangle in here. So, and then lay mulch down inside, keep the grass down and the weeds down, and put her a little sitting area.
It's gonna grow tall.
Y'all, these are teeny tiny baby carrots.
That's not carrots, that's basil.
I mean basil. Where's the, that's what? Carol?
Yes, from Carol.
These are Carol's. Sorry.
It's a new brand of them.
Look at all these little
I'm
carrots.
gonna pull one out and show you.
Look how tiny they are, y'all. Is that not the cutest thing ever? I mean, we may end up with just a bunch of teeny tiny baby carrots, but at least they're growing.
Corn, why can't you have baby carrots?
Listen,
Eat it, Tyler.
look at that teeny tiny watermelon. Tana, put your hand up there.
My eyesight's already good.
That's so
What
cute.
is this?
There's one way down here, look.
Look at that.
What is this?
Where? This is nothing, this is grass. Because I need more dirt in here so I can plant stuff.
Look, you got some good coastal grass in here.
I'm pretty sure this came from Mama Jackie.
Mm-hmm. You did.
That's where all this dirt came from.
It smells like a carrot.
Does it?
Well, it looks like a carrot. It must be a carrot.
Tyler.
Tyler, shut up. Oh, it does.
It's so little, you wouldn't expect it to smell like so strong like a carrot. It does.
They're coming.
Yeah, there's everywhere.
There's everywhere. There's nothing in
Look.
the meadows.
Yeah.
Yeah, the pear, or, yeah, what did I
There's
say,
a
the pear
whole
tomatoes?
ton right here,
What do you
Right
make,
here. right here.
A
There's a
big,
big one right here.
salsa making tomatoes?
Some of them.
And then look, here's the pear ones. There's pear ones on that side, but these ones are easier to see.
I'm excited about these. Y'all, look at that. These will be orange, and they won't get really much bigger than that. They're about I guess about the size of a Roma. Look, there's your little baby cucumber in there.
Oh, the big one's on that side.
Y'all.
And my cantaloupe, it's got dust all over it because I dusted everything. Keep the ants off.
She's been fighting ants like crazy, y'all. So these will climb up over, like the watermelons are climbing up over. So the trellises will be all covered in vines. It's going to be so pretty.
Grapes.
I know.
Triumph.
This is the only one that survived.
Muscadine Triumph grape.
Has it got leaves on it?
Yes. It's gonna get bigger. It's just this week, Mom got this already messed up.
Yeah, it was literally a stick.
What's that thing over here?
What thing? Oh, that's peppers. It's the only ones that
What kind
survive.
of pepper?
Is it? We need to start some more.
California Wonder
You
Pepper.
need to get that grasshopper out of there.
Yeah, it's not gonna do no good. There's grasshoppers everywhere in here. You know how many grasshoppers we have here?
What's that down there on that one?
That?
No, down there on the end, down there.
That's called grass.
Look, do I need to
Look at
start
all
some
these
seeds?
tomatoes.
I know. Y'all look.
You wanna start
There's-
some seeds? You can start some seeds.
Oh, I will. Where's my heating pad at?
You don't need your heating pad right now?
My little
No.
mister gun.
The sun is close enough that,
No, you gotta have that heating pad.
no.
These right here are all like super tiny. I wonder if these ones are the
Looks like
That's cherry tomatoes. That should be the cherry tomatoes.
Why is these
Look at
leaves
how-
curled up?
See,
It's hot.
they just started doing that today.
But they still smell good.
Yeah, they do.
That cherry tomato right there, Tina, we need to go through and pull the bottoms off of it. It's getting a little thick on there.
Yeah, well,
So is that one next to
at
it.
this point, I'm just letting these do what they want because they're all crazy.
There is our first real, actual growing garden here on the place.
You think we should pull this? See, this is the one I was talking about that I wasn't sure I wanted to pull yet. I think it could get bigger without actually changing the taste of it.
I would leave it.
Yeah, it looks like it's still growing.
Yeah, I would leave it because those should get about 10 inches long.
Yeah. So I'll leave that one. Oh, look, here's another long one.
Look how cute, y'all. Y'all, we're so excited about this. This is like our dreams slowly coming to reality.
Someone just pull in?
No. Tana, you need to clean your trash up.
I literally just dropped it.
And you got a water bottle over there. Alright, let's continue our walk. Y'all see my lovely house pad? It's growing great weeds.
Goat weeds. Goat weeds is the finest. We're getting ready for dove season.
We're doing something.
Take a shower.
Okay. So, next year, we have decided that 2023 is when concrete gets poured right there. And I've already changed the house pad like twice since then. Only because we took the carport out. No. So we planted flowers in all of these little buckets. But they're coming back from the goats eating them. That's what I was just saying. Look, so the big dirt hill is gone. I got it all spread out. And where that stake is right there, I don't know if y'all can see that. That is where my window greenhouse is going. However, that project will not start until probably October because it is too hot. So, these are the first 4 beds of 16 for the market garden. They are 195 foot long and each one is 16 foot wide. So at the end, down here, down there, right in that area, at the end of each row, we're gonna put a what, Tyler?
A caterpillar greenhouse.
I don't know what a caterpillar is, but we're gonna.
It's a slash between a caterpillar and a caterpillar. Caterpillar.
So, anyways, they're gonna be 15 by 32 foot greenhouses at the end of each one of these market gardens. So this fall, I will have these first 4 planted. So this is my project for August. And my project for September is over at Orchard Hill, which we did not talk about, but we'll catch that one on the next one. So, Tyler brought the dozer in and graded it off so that it wasn't such a slope. And then I brought the tractor. Oh, thanks, Maverick. I really wanted that on video.
That's fertilized.
That's not fertilized. And it's fertilizer.
Fertilized.
Anyway, so we're going to plant this one. Or I'm going to plant this one for this fall. So all of this will be growing. So hopefully I won't die in August when I'm trying to do this. And then luckily it gets pretty shaded in the evenings like this. So we have nothing in the big pen. So the big pen is probably fixing to start coming down. We were supposed to be feeding out a steer, but that was a whole situation, and so now we're waiting on the next batch. But hopefully in the meantime I'll have perimeter fence done by then. So pigs are in freezer camp. They taste amazing. Why do you keep stopping?
It's hot.
Somebody needs to be back in my boot camp.
Who, them dogs?
No, you.
When do I have time?
You make time. It's important.
Yeah. When am I going to sleep?
Sleep is not important.
Yeah. If you want me to come home grumpy every day,
You do come home grumpy every
then I need
day.
to sleep.
I'm not worried about it.
Clowns.
So, my weed eater people have not been weed eating very much this spring, summer. So I have put the goats in charge of it. They're doing a fantastic job.
Wet.
They haven't got to this front fence yet.
I can put chuck clowns
So,
in here.
they won't stay. So, our meat birds this round did not go as planned. We started out with 53. We have 19 left. It was just a whole disaster from jump. And it hasn't gotten any better. But we are
Maverick. Maverick.
raising some hens up. I really thought we were going to be more roosters than hens, but I think we're not. I think we only have like 3 roosters in this batch. But y'all look at these pretty girls. Hi, ladies.
Livy, was she not talking about you?
Look
Why
at
you got a
them.
bald spot?
Rubbing.
Revy Davy.
Revy. What are you doing?
Sound like being on camera, Mom.
And then you have Dolly. So, you've done good, sister. You've only been over here about an hour. Look at that fat belly. Look at that fat belly. Can you say hi? Ouch. Can you say hi? Dolly. Pretty girl. Alright. So Tyler, come tell him what you've been doing back here. Oh, did y'all notice that all those great big huge trees that were here are gone? So this is where I'm gonna do, my high tunnels are going here. There'll be 4 high tunnels here. I was gonna do 2 great big ones, but I'm just gonna do 4. And they'll be 20 foot by 75 foot. What? What is it? I'm not letting you off because you'll get in the garden and then we'll both be in trouble. So, anyways, Tyler has been clearing. Let me get this situated. So, he's cleared all of this behind me. He's cleared all of this down here. And he has cleared all of this. He's not very fast, but he's getting better.
Getting better all the time.
Y'all, I gotta give him a hard time. If I was nice to him, he would think something was wrong. So we are going to set up, because our cross fence is coming through from here all the way over to the other side over there. So this area right here is going to actually be right behind my last market garden. And that's where we're going to set up all of our compost piles. We're going to set up the white box that we have that we're keeping all of our tools and stuff in right now until we get the barn up. All of that and all of our material and everything is going to go over here, so it's not an eyesore, because it's driving me nuts. I got a rooster trying to crow. Did you almost find your voice? I heard you. Hitting puberty.
Look at these little flowers. They're upside down flowers.
So there's our property line. And you can go all the way through because I did on the tractor. Yeah. I had to push my way through on part of it because you weren't quite there yet. So we have made a deal with a local sawmill guy. Tyler made the deal, so I'll let him tell you.
So when we had the dozer come in here first, I had him lay over all the cedar trees instead of burning them. So anything that's 10 to 12 inches in diameter or bigger on the top end, I took up to the sawmill guy, and I took 2 loads, matter of fact, and that's going to swap for pine to build our front porch. And I got plenty more to build the rest of the porches on the cabin.
Yeah. So we're doing the cabin is 16 by 50, and we're doing a full 50 foot by 8 foot front porch, and I gotta watch for snakes, y'all. 50 foot by 10 foot back porch, and then we'll do the side porch, and it'll be 10 foot wide, and then it'll line up with the other porches. So whatever that is, 26 and 8, so 34. So it'll be a 10 by 34 porch on the, what is that, the south end? Yeah, on the south end of the house. So we like to be outside. That gives us a space to be outside. And that gives me a place to put a big dining table and or farm table and all that. So because we really won't have room in the cabin. And just to be outside when we have company over. So y'all have never seen this because we've never seen it until we started going through here. We are on our south fence line. There's a middle post. So we got to get through here, and he just started pushing through here, but he's been cutting hay, so not getting home in time to work on this. And before that, when he was getting home, he was just barely getting home in time to get a little bit done. But it gets dark back here under this canopy. These trees are thick, y'all. So somewhere right down here, the runoff is on their property over here to the other side of us. So that's like 60, I think it's 67 acres beside us. No. And that's the actual dead end of our road. Like there's a gate at the end of our road and you drive in. That's their property. But there's like 3 or 4 people that live on that property. Anyways, there's a huge lake. Well, that lake is what runs off into the creek back here. It goes down this runoff, which is, we're almost to it. Go away. So we keep going here.
So I didn't think that fence was offline.
Huh?
Because those posts are kind of with this tree line right here.
Uh-huh.
And then you have this inside the lake. I haven't gone from here back to see where, and I was going to take flagging tape and mark trees.
Yeah.
So I could see a little better.
So
But
pretty much he's going to have to just ease his way through here because it is marked. Supposedly this is the property line. We really need to get a survey done. But, I mean, we really need to have it cleared out so they can get back there to do the survey. So it's kind of, which way do you go, George?
And start singing "Welcome to the Jungle."
Yeah. Y'all, I'm in flip-flops of all things. I'm fixing to be driving through here. So there's the barbed wire right there. So this is where our fence, or our property line.
Okay, so that tree is on that side.
Yeah.
I didn't see
So
it on there.
what he'll do is he'll finish pushing through here, and then we will tie string up at the road, tie string back at the back, and that's where we're running the fence line. So,
Is this where you went through?
huh?
This is where you went through?
Yeah.
Well, did you see where I come through the other day?
No.
I wasn't to it yet?
No.
Oh.
No. So this is where we cross over right here. And the rest of our property goes on the other side that way. And I don't know that there's anything marking it except for the corner post that's down by the creek. Unless you've seen something.
I think there is. Close up. We can walk down through.
So, this is all stuff y'all have never seen. Because we have only walked this once, and that was in... Did we walk in Snowmageddon or after that?
After that.
So the very first time we came down and looked at this property was during Snowmageddon. If you're from Texas, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Do what?
So we didn't walk it during Snowmageddon.
No, but that's when we came. That's when we first saw it.
But there's been some water in here recently.
I let the dogs go in front of me. Maybe they'll run the snakes off. Or they'll make them mad and I'll be the one that gets bit. Huh?
I said let these suckers go first so they can get bit.
Ugh.
Here, we still got fence line.
Oh, yep. Okay, so see, we're still going. It's just all laid down. Alright, so I came through here with the tractor day before yesterday just to see if I could make it. Somewhere in there, Tyler's been pushing and he thought he was almost back to the runoff, but he went the wrong direction. The day we have all this cleared out and maintainable will be the happiest day of my life. Why don't y'all go get in the creek?
Come on. Come on, bring back.
So, pretty much, and from the survey, or the original survey that we have, so the property has been surveyed, I guess we should say that. It's just the original survey, it's not, it hasn't been updated. About a third of our property is on the other side of that runoff. There's quite a bit of land over there. So, once he gets that pushed through, and we can get perimeter fences up, we'll end up building a bridge across.
Just look at all the big trees.
I know. Aren't they beautiful? Y'all, this is my favorite. Like, our canopy is insane. It is crazy. I mean, Tyler, come stand next to this tree right here. This isn't even one of the biggest ones. Y'all, Tyler's 6'3", for those that don't know. Are your fingers touching?
There's
Look.
probably a good 2 foot in there.
I mean, I don't even know how many Tylers that is tall.
A lot. That's a lot of firewood.
That is not going to be firewood.
Come on, let's go get in the tree. Come on,
Till the day the good Lord decides that tree has lived its life.
come on. Hunter. Where's your dingbat brother?
He's probably already in the creek.
Come on.
Sanja, you swimming?
Sit. Butter. Sit.
Okay, so Tyler has made his way across back here. Right here is the road that we normally came in on. All of this was thick.
No.
Right here?
The road that we normally come in is right here.
Oh.
Back top of the line.
Oh no, this is the road where Gypsy's buried.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so this road did come in here where you can see where we were driving, but it didn't go in very far. The normal road that we came in was over on the other side there. So, I mean, we have gained so much property already. Here's our baby Gypsy. So all of this is cleared out.
We got a big old cedar tree.
Yep. That tree right there will be coming down to build me a porch. They'll find us. Anybody want some bamboo? Talk about invasive. This stuff is, you can't kill it. All of it will be back. The boys will be excited because they love it. It's hot. They probably ain't moving too much right now. Okay, so this is the weird little part of our property back here at this corner.
That orange flag
There's
is the pin.
So, I don't know if you can see that orange flag right there. That goes up here to another spot that's marked.
200 foot.
Okay, so 200 foot from that pin up
To the sagebrush.
is not our property. And it's
From
not
the creek.
it's not our neighbor's property. It is across the creek's property. So, at some point we'll probably try to get it bought. For right now, I'm not really worried about it. So, it is just weird. I don't know. Because they don't even use the back part of their property over there. It is thicker than ours. Ow. So, stop and show y'all all of this. Y'all, it's coming together.
A lot of cleanup.
Oh,
Add it to the list.
yeah. Am I slightly stressed about all this?
No.
It's full of crap, y'all.
Gotcha.
You may have already passed it.
Yeah, it's right here. Right there.
Okay, so from that flag down there
Right there.
to this flag here is not ours. Really weird. I don't know. But then our property line goes back. Where does our property line go to? From there to where? Because it goes back that way.
From
See?
here it goes to the road. This is actually, you're on Bob's part.
Okay, so that's where our corner and Bob's corner meets.
Yep.
Okay. So we go from there all the way up there, like 1,500 feet. 1476, I think. I think it's 1476.
Was this one 1,700 and that side's 1,900?
I don't know. I'll have to look
Thank
back
you.
at it. Yeah, I've looked at it so many times that all the numbers run together.
I think that's what it is.
Anyways, y'all are getting to see this for the first time too, because I'm pretty sure that nobody has ever walked this side of this property. More huge trees. Y'all just don't even understand. There's no way for the camera to tell y'all how big these trees are. So, I'm gonna have to go wash my feet because I'm gonna end up with poison ivy.
So you can actually see from the, once
Yeah.
you get up on top of the little hill up to the road, and you used to not see this. Like I said, it's a mess, but this was, the text guy was coming in a few days, and I had to get some progress made.
So,
And been cutting hay ever since, so that's where progress has stopped. But it will get cleaned up. If
It
not,
has
I'll
to.
be divorced with a new address.
and it won't be 903 Renee.
I'll go stay with Mimi. She takes all the strain.
Yep. You got a Mimi or a Mama that'll take you.
Mm-hmm. It's okay. Somebody loves me. Okay. This right here was the corner of where we used to go down to the creek. This was nothing but sapling, cedar trees, pine trees, and just grown up.
So if y'all have seen this corner plenty of times in Tana's videos, and you could not see through here. You could not walk in here. We tried. We tried to walk the property line and you could not physically get through there.
So y'all seen this picture right here a lot of times.
Yeah. Here.
With trees on each side.
Up to Tana's house.
And then this is
And now this is what it looks like. It goes all the way back to the creek, y'all. And then there's our road that we normally took back to the creek. So,
look at all the big trees over on this side.
look at this craziness, y'all. I don't know how he's gonna get all that out of there, but
Called a lot of these little trees are coming down and it's going in a pile with this stuff right here. And then it's going to be a big fire.
listen, I'm gonna have more bonfires this fall. Y'all, I'm drenched in sweat, sorry. I'm gonna have more bonfires this fall than I'm gonna know what to do with. Not really. If you know me, you know that's my happy place. And
But that will be more pasture land for all your little critters
it will.
that I'm not telling you no about because we seen what happened with the goats.
What happened with the goats?
Come home with 2. So now I just don't advise it. And usually here lately it's been working.
It's just because it's hot and I'm tired and we got to get pens built.
Shoot. You need a shoe?
No, I think I'm good. So, here y'all go. If this doesn't give you a big picture of what all's been done, all of this you cannot see through.
Trail just going right through here. And that's
Yep,
it.
a pig trail at that. Loretta didn't even feel. We got slapped in the face all the time. Y'all, so much. So much. And there's all of our chaos at the cabin. But it is
hot.
what it is. It's hot. So
We might go on retirement till this winter.
yeah, no, that's not happening. I have too many things that got to get done before this winter. So, anyways, all right. Well, tell them thanks for hanging out with us,
Have a good night. Sleep good. Have sweet dreams.
and we will try to do another one next week and show y'all what all we've gotten done. So, y'all have a blessed week.